In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color checkboxes in Google Sheets on desktop. If you've ever wanted to make your checkboxes stand out or add a bit of color to your spreadsheet to enhance visual organization, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step so you'll have colorful checkboxes in no time, all without adding any complicated scripts or plugins. First, open your Google Sheet and identify the cells that contain your checkboxes. You'll want to select these specific cells to ensure that the changes we make will directly affect them. With your cells selected, look at the top of your screen and click on the Format menu. From the drop-down options presented, select Conditional Formatting. This handy tool allows you to set rules for how the data in each cell appears based on certain criteria, and it's just perfect for what we want to do today. As you see the Conditional Formatting menu on the right-hand side, it's time to set the rule. Under the Format Cells If section, you have a rule to set. For this scenario, you'll want to ensure that the rule is set to Checkbox is checked, or you could choose Value is true. Both options essentially mean the same thing. They're targeting those checkboxes that you have checked as true. Now comes the fun part, selecting your color. In the Formatting Style section, you have various options to choose from. Decide whether you want to highlight your checkboxes with a fill color, which changes the color of the entire cell, or a text color, which changes just the text inside. You might find a bright or bold color works well to make those checked boxes pop. Take a moment to experiment and find the perfect shade that aligns beautifully with the aesthetic of your sheet. If you want to take customization a step further, you can add another rule for unchecked boxes. Maybe you'd like them in a lighter shade or a completely different color to provide a clear visual distinction between checked and unchecked states. Just repeat the previous steps, but this time set your rule to Checkbox is unchecked, or you might see it listed as Value is false, and then pick your preferred color. Finally, once you've made all your selections and are satisfied with how they look, click Done. Instantly, you'll see your colorful checkboxes applied to your spreadsheet. A perfect touch for any Google Sheet that needs a dash of color and clarity. And that's how you color checkboxes in Google Sheets on desktop. A simple yet effective way to make your data more visually appealing and organized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to explore the other formatting options provided by Google Sheets to further enhance your spreadsheets.